Assertion is low concentration of nucleophile favors SN1 mechanism. And the reason given is secondary alkyl halides are less reactive than primary towards SN1 reaction. So first let us take the assertion. What is SN1 mechanism? So SN1 mechanism, see you have a substrate. Let us take a substrate RBr. This is a substrate. This R may be primary, secondary or tertiary, whatever that's. Then attacking reagent. Let us take an alcohol. Now how the primary will be taking place? This moving group will move first and we will be getting a stable carbocation. So first the formation of carbocation and then attack of the nucleophile. Then we will be getting the product. This carbocation favors the S11 mechanism. See, more stable the carbocation, more it favors SN1 mechanism. See, now we have to speak on the low concentration of nucleophile. So OH minus is the nucleophile. If the concentration of OH minus is less, so it will not attack the carbocation easily. What happens? The carbocation will be more stable. So when the concentration of OH minus, that is the nucleophile, is less, the stability of carbocation increases. So low concentration favors SN1 mechanism, and if you have high concentration, it favors SN2 mechanism. Low concentration of nucleophile favors SN1 mechanism is a correct statement. See, if the concentration of the nucleophile is less, it does not easily attack the carbocation. More stable the carbocation, more it favors the SN1 reaction. Now coming to the reason, secondary alkyl halides are less reactive than primary towards SN1 reaction. So secondary means you will be having one hydrogen. So this may be a methyl group and this may be a methyl group. This is secondary. Then primary is and this is primary. So in the secondary, due to hyperconjugation, so what is hyperconjugation? Shifting of the cation. Here the carbon, the hydrogen, the shifting of the cation due to the hyperconjugation. What happens? The carbocation will be more stable. Carbocation more stable. Here there is no hyperconjugation. No hyperconjugation, or if you have only one methyl group, the hyperconjugation will be very less. So comparing the secondary and the primary, secondary carbocation will form more stable, secondary alkyl halide will form more stable carbocation. So secondary alkyl halide is more reactive. Secondary alkyl halide is more reactive than primary. So the reason given is a wrong statement. So what is given? Secondary alkyl is less reactive. No, it is more reactive because of the hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation is nothing but shifting of the positive charge with this H. Then towards primary reaction, the reason given is wrong. So here in this question, assertion is true and the reason is the wrong statement. So our option will be C.